Hi guys! 11 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brother and family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your Sunday? Was it that happy? Was it that fulfilling, memorable, and meaningful? And tomorrow, back to reality. Monday naman po ulit. And of course, what we do po in our channel is to make sure about the expectation, tailor fit po the activities that you wanna do for tomorrow. Are the energies po helping or not? Is it suitable for your animal sign? Or yung po mga outcome na gusto mo, paano mo po may visualize? Or yung likability of getting what you want po tomorrow is within your reach. Mamaterialize yan, mabigay sa'yo, magkatotoo. Ito po yun. And backing everything, of course, the awareness of what to do is all about. Ito po yun. So, if you're having some concerns that may mga delays na po for quite some time, para po yung blessing po ay medyo, medyo kumukunat or medyo po magaspang, well, baka makatulong po ito, no? Backing, direction, use the compass, whole day, anywhere you are. Why not? Why not, BFF? Let's do it. Okay. Tingnan natin. June 1. And tomorrow, it's June 2, Monday. Excuse me. Sabi dito, the water tiger enters the receive in auspicious day. Uy. Sabi po dito, it's not suitable. Lahat po ng activities, naka-dark colors po, no? So, as per Dato Joey Yap, it says here, yeah, not suitable. However, let's double check. Double check natin. Excuse me, BFF. Kay Singaporean Grandmaster Tan Kong Yung. Ano sabi ni Grandmaster for tomorrow? Uy, sabi dito kay Grandmaster Tan Kong Yung of Singapore, going to cease, okay. Suitable for discussion. Suitable for house cleaning, gardening, and pursuing studies. Avoid starting a business, moving house, utility services, buying a new car, and submit tender. Not good for tomorrow. Okay. Direction sa animal signs. Rat not so good. Ox is average. Tiger is very good. Rabbit is average. Dragon and snake not so good. Horse very good. Goat is average. Monkey not so good. Rooster average. And dog and pig excuse me, average, very good. Wow, ganda. Okay, BFF. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope because the next part po is daily chimen, no? Where you back to buong araw, you visualize, you pray for what you want, you manifest for what you want. Ito po yun. No po, may direction po tayo and may system of letting go, of opening up, of giving thanks, of visualizing what you want, and of course, donation. You donate. Let's do it. Tingnan natin, BFF, for a June 2 day. How do we go about it? Opo. Nga pala po, I thank you so much for my clients po who have the monthly subscription, no po, for the month of June. Now they know kung kailan po ang kanilang yung kanilang destiny is at high or low or medium or at risk. Kailan po yung kanilang relationship, may challenges, even their health, even po their risk and survival po. It can already be chart po. Kaya na po makita yan daily po sa ating monthly subscription. And of course, those who subscribe, meron po siyang daily na Green Dragon niya po, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden tailor fitted for him. And of course, yung 7-star candle walk and the 9-star candle walk is all part of the 1-month subscription. So, if you want to really make June your best month ever, you can start subscribing po. Just message me and I will let you know po how we go about the subscription po. Wow, ano po. And I also give you a free mat. May libre pong mat. I'll give it to you. No extra charge para magamit nyo po yung guide ng 7 stars and 9-star mat. Yes. Okay. BFF. And of course, yung son ko po is making a feng shui bracelet. You just message me here. And then yung kay Ma'am Rio, yes, by tomorrow available na po. I'll let you know po, Ma'am Rio, thanks for the order. Okay. And kanina din po, I was early in Tagaytay. Ma'am Christine, thank you so much for the trust. And yung broker po, the group ma'am, who made it all possible for trusting me to have an on-site feng shui in a lot, madam, in Tagaytay. Ma'am Christine, thank you so much and hope to see you soon po. Thank you so much, madam. Okay po, June 2. Let's check. Tingnan po natin ang June 2. June 2 po, the game changer, if you want to improve your health, you're not feeling well, you have been something on your mind bothering you, your blood chem is not okay, you are not okay mentally, physically, back to Southeast. Anything to do with financials, back to South. If you want to gain more wisdom, knowledge, talikod sa Southwest. Heart-to-heart talk, want to make amends, you want to say sorry, you want to build the connection again back. Yun po at back to West naman po ito. If you want 10x being beautiful and handsome, if you want to have the inspiration, talikod ka naman sa Northwest. And if you want to create opportunities, hindi po ba, very important, here and abroad, attract high caliber, noble people. Have that network that you would want for the longest time. Magkaroon ka ng absolute power. Magkaroon ka po ng improvement in your life aspect. 7 stars po ito. Talikod sa East. Wow! Ano po? BFF, if I were you, I'll be using this 7 stars to. Kompleto po ito. Meron po siyang absolute power. Meron pong cloak force. Meron pong liberation rising. Ang ganda po ng mga structures. And then, the effect of this is here and abroad. You can also call upon high caliber, noble people. And of course, the opportunity and the network that you may want to have to help you out to get what you want. Backing to Isto, BFF, you can use it. Wow. Ganda po. Okay, so BFF, you asked me, ang gagamitin ko, I will be using the East backing. Kasi kompleto po ito eh. May opportunity, di po? I'll use this backing. So, again, yung count from 64 to 1, nakatalikod ka sa East. You can start now until 10:59 p.m. the next day and you let go, open up, give thanks, ask for what you want, and eventually you donate po to charity, church, or to a person. Or it can be online. Pwede pong gawin. Again, BFF, I know tomorrow, most of us will wake up early. Another grind, another po, wow, thank you. And alam niyo po, right after my trip, sunod-sunod po talaga po yung mga projects and I'm so happy for that blessing. Plus the 40,000 followers. Thank you so much po. And again, don't forget, if you want to subscribe for the Chimen Feng Shui, yung Green Dragon po, it's on a monthly basis. And also, if you also want to order bracelet, Feng Shui bracelet for yourself or for your family and friends, you can also message us here. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other, for we do not know if our family member, brethren, or our friend is in a not so good time of their life right now, financially challenged, may depression, well, they have not so good health. Let's pray for them. Let us also pray for our leaders. Let us also pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless. Good night. Happy Monday and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.